Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sort month chronologically in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my document in Microsoft Excel, and for example guys, I'm going to sort the month chronologically. If we want to do that, the first thing first, we need to select the data like this, and we're going to go to the sort menu right here. Go to the sort menu, and then you're going to click on custom sort. All right, and then you can go to this menu, the order, and select the custom list. And in the custom list, you are going to choose month. I'm just going to choose this one guys, and then we can click on OK and click on OK again. All right, and as you can see guys, that the month have been sorted chronologically with the sort menu, the custom list especially. Okay guys, and that's all the way to sort month chronologically in Microsoft Excel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.